Hello, everyone. I'm Bill, and welcome to Bill's Odds and Ends. If this is your first time here, be sure and subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of all of my new videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel out. And now, on with the video. Hello, everyone, and happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a good day. Today, we're going to do another unboxing video. I realize it's not Disney, but since I live 1,000 miles away, I can't do Disney all the time. Today we're going to be unboxing my new phone. Got the iPhone XS, major upgrade for me since I've had the 8 Plus for the last year. I didn't buy the 10 last year, largely because I couldn't get over the sticker shock of $1,000 for a phone. But this year we decided to bite the bullet and get the fancy new stuff. The phone is a lot different than I'm used to. It's got a smaller package, or smaller physical size than my 8 Plus, but the screen's larger, which that's kind of cool. You can see some more. It's also no home button. Everything to maneuver around is swipe gestures. And to unlock it, it's all Face ID. Some things, it's new chip, so everything runs faster. Some camera improvements, but I'm not really sure how much they improved it. I know the layout's different, the lenses are a little farther apart. Supposedly there's better low light, but I don't know how much better. When we do go to Disney this fall, I'm going to try to get with Josh and maybe do a side-by-side comparison with his Samsung and see if there's any improvement at all. Anyway, we'll get on with the unboxing. Box. iPhone always has such a cool box. And you take that apart. And that's what the phone looks like. Oh, it even comes on. Must have a full charge on a battery. Also in the box, you have the quick start guide. I've set up enough of these, I hope I don't need that. A USB charger. Lightning earphones, and a charging cable. Different this year is they don't include the little dongle that lets you use regular headphones, so I guess they're going to Lightning for everything. So we'll turn this back on, and okay, and I'm going to have to set it up here. Maybe I put in the wrong password. Oh, I bet I did. Now let's see if it'll work. That's interesting. We're a big Apple household. My wife and I both have Apple phones. We both have Macs. We both have iPads. We both have Apple Watches. We both have Apple TVs. So yeah, we're kind of an Apple house. Well, come on, set up. So anyway, while we're waiting, going to Disney in, about 5 weeks. Can't wait. It's going to be a longer trip than usual. We're going to be there for 8 nights. We're doing 1 night at Saratoga and then the next 7 nights at the Beach Club, which is handy because we can walk over to Epcot for food and wine. I'm hoping to get together with Josh and join him and Jenna on the live stream maybe. Already got all of our dining reservations, already got all of our, boy, that really reflects on my glasses. I have to be careful. I don't normally wear glasses, but I have to wear reading glasses, and when I'm filming, I wear glasses so I can see the phone. Oh, that's interesting. They do all of the software updates automatically now. So that'll be a handy feature. You don't have to look for a software update. And Apple Pay I can set up later. keychain, continue. So hopefully we're going to get to see, oh, that's another new thing in iOS 12 this year. They have a thing called screen time. And basically it keeps track of what you do on your phone. How many times you pick it up during the day, what apps you use and for how long. And they do that if you think you're on the phone too much, or if you have children and you think they're on their phone too much. And so it will give you reminders that you've been on the phone a long time. Maybe you ought to put it down and go out and get some exercise or something. Welcome to iPhone, and looky there. It works. And really cool background, kind of a stylized earth, which I will change to my normal background of Cinderella Castle. So anyway, that's pretty much all for this. I hope everybody watches it, and I hope I didn't bore you too much with my new technology.
This has been an odd production. Thanks for watching.